So many people has asked me that questions, whether after Botox your face will look very stiff and unnatural. So the answer is no, it's actually not true. By adjusting the dosage of the Botox used, we can use mini dose of Botox to achieve reduction of wrinkles without removing excessive muscles expressions, meaning that you can have less wrinkles without looking stiff or unnatural. So a good age to start doing Botox is actually about 30. So then you can start what we call the preventive stage of Botox or anti-aging Botox. So by targeting early onset wrinkles due to excessive muscle movements, we can reduce or delay the onset of more dynamic wrinkles. So a lot of people are very concerned that by doing Botox later at age 40, there will be no effects or very lousy results with Botox. Actually, the results is not true. It is just that when at age 40, you have a lot more wrinkles and you see a very dramatic improvement of the wrinkles reduction. Imagine in 2 to 3 days time, all the wrinkles that are present in the crow's area, frown lines or forehead areas just disappear, and people will think that you look very unnatural. On top of that, at age 40, people will start to notice aging effects on the skin such as sagginess, puffy looking, looser skin, uneven skin tone, or even worsening pores. So for these issues, you should need to combine with other modalities or medical aesthetic treatments as well, such as lasers, HIFU, thermal or even skin boosters to achieve much better results. If you are taking COVID vaccine, please wait at least 2 weeks before having your Botox injections. Similarly, if you just had your Botox injections, please also wait at least 2 weeks before having your COVID vaccination. So some people are concerned about getting immunity or being immune to Botox. So the real results is only 0.5% of people who receive Botox for over 10 years gets immune to Botox or develop antibodies to Botox. So therefore, it only affects a very small group of patients. And furthermore, a lot of them are people who undergo Botox for medical problems such as muscle spasms, stroke, or severe headaches as well. So for most of the Botox users, for aesthetic reasons, you are hardly at risk. But having said that, if a person really develops antibodies to Botox, there are a few things you can do. For instance, you can store your Botox for 6 to 9 months to let the body naturally get rid of these antibodies. Or you can change the brand of Botox being used, such as using Dysport or even Xeomin. And for Xeomin, it is found that it develops the least amount of antibodies over time. A new type of treatment now that has arisen is to slim down the body muscles to give the body a slimmer silhouette. So for the neck and shoulder, there is a treatment known as collarbone treatment. So it targets the trapezius muscles or the muscles that's around the neck to the shoulder. So a person with over-thickened muscles of this area have a very thick-set and rounded looking appearance of the upper body, making people feel that they are oversized or overweight. So by slimming down these muscle groups, the upper body, such as the neck and the shoulder, looks slimmer and very well contoured. Teeth grinding is a common problem in today's busy society that's high stress as well. So some people may actually grind their teeth throughout the night and as a result develop overgrown masseter muscles, leading to a broader and a square-shaped face. So by giving Botox injections into the masseter muscles located at the jawline, it will slim down these overactive, overgrown muscles to give a more slim, oval-shaped face. Some people also have what we call TMJ problems or Temporomandibular Joint problems. So they have soreness of the jawline muscles all the way up to the temple area, such that they have headaches. By injecting Botox into these affected muscles in small tiny doses, it will relax these muscles and at the same time also give a more slim V-shaped face contour. Botox can be used to slim down your calves. Do you know that? So for some of us who has been athletes during school days who like to go for long walks, we actually notice that we have rather thick and stocky calf muscles, making the lower body looking very heavy and thick-set. So by injecting Botox into these oversized muscles, we can slim down the appearance of the calf, giving rise to the appearance of long, slim legs. Each treatment takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and most people may need about 1 to 2 sessions. Each treatment should last you about 6 to 8 months duration. So glabellar lines are the common area that get treated for habitual facial expressions. These are the lines that occurs in between the two eyebrows. So some people have a habitual frown, which means that they will frown when they are thinking, when they are talking about serious issues. However, they give people the impression that they are very serious, very unhappy, very fierce, or very stern. And it does affect their workplace relationship. So they can actually come for a Botox injection to correct the glabellar wrinkles, so leading to a smoother looking glabellar region and have a very pleasant looking face now. So people with gummy smiles have an overactive upper lip muscles. So when they smile, the entire upper lip will just rise up and expose the entire upper gum area, giving a very unpleasant, not so sophisticated appearance. So now, Botox can be injected in these overactive muscles on the upper lip area to relax these muscles such that the smile will be just subtle and natural looking. Lip flip are Botox injections that are injected into the upper lip to let the lip has a smoother and fuller appearance. So it sometimes can be used to reduce the amount of fillers needed to give fuller looking lips. So I like to combine Botox with dermal fillers. As we know, Botox can treat the dynamic wrinkles or wrinkles caused by the muscles of expressions, whilst fillers are good for treating static wrinkles or wrinkles due to aging such as volume loss or sunkenness. So by combining both of them, we can achieve the better treatments of all kinds of wrinkles. On top of that, as we know, when we inject fillers, which are consistent of a hyaluronic acid into the wrinkle area or sunken areas, the muscle expressions can continue, and sometimes these movements will move away the fillers and cause the duration to be much shorter than usual. Therefore, by combining the Botox together with fillers, we have much longer lasting results. So these are what we call synergistic actions by combining the two. So HIFU is a kind of technology that can lift and stimulate the collagen of the skin muscles. So it is best to do the HIFU treatment first, wait for 2 weeks before embarking on your Botox injections for maximum results. So some of the supplements that are found to extend the effect of Botox include zinc. We're having zinc supplements 4 days before the Botox treatment or even on the day itself can extend the duration of the Botox. There are some products that claim to be Botox but do not need injections. So it is very clear that they do not contain Botox because Botox is always present in the injected form and cannot be applied or orally taken. Botox is not made from animals, firstly, and it is safe, medically proven, and is not a permanent treatment. Therefore, it is suitable also for people who are Muslims.